Hi there, good morning everyone. No trip to Vietnam is complete without trying Bánh Xèo, a Vietnamese sizzling pancake. Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of Vietnamese most famous street food, Bánh Xèo, also known as Vietnamese crispy pancake. It's golden, crunchy on the outside and filled with shrimp, pork and bean sprout. You can use bigger shrimp, but I do with the little one. The most important thing is they have to be fresh. You first prepare the butter, basically made from the rice flour, tumeric powder, pinch of salt. This is a tiny shrimp, but it tastes good. Pork, bean sprout, and it's served with the vegetable. They are lettuce, mint, pickled carrot. It all brings the different, flavor when you bite the pancake later. Now let's cook. I heat up a pan over medium-high heat. Stir the onion and then all the filling. There are different ways of making the filling cook, but I choose the original way of stir fry the filling to make sure all is cooked. Now you pour the oil on the hot pan. You swirl around to spread the oil to coat the surface of the pan, to make sure the oil spread even on the pan surface. Let it cook for a while. Now you pour a ladle or ladle and a half of the butter on the pan. Make sure that it's spread even on the pan, okay? Next step, you add the filling. Make sure that you add it on half side of the pancake. Now it's come to a challenge. So you have to fold, the pancake. The color must be golden brown, like this. Okay, I'll show you second time folding the pancake. And this is how it looks when it gets ready, when it's ready to eat. It's serving with the vegetable and dipping sauce, a traditional Vietnamese, fish sauce. It consists of like chili, lamb juice, fish sauce, and this, the final step to enjoy it is using the vegetable to make a roll, like a summer roll, and we just dip in the dipping sauce, and this is how you enjoy it. Thank you so much.